and the blue manual is red manual is the helicopter, orange manual is the survival, the blue one is for your engine. But nevertheless, without
Handler.
This is telescopic handler.
Nice.
This is the actual. I got to this is how to operate. The command. Read the instructions. Kung dili kayo mo kapasa kayo, hanap na kayo. Kung naagali, kung buti, ang inyong buti, doon na po ay dulo ka pamphlet. Okay, first book is about Egypt for your life book. The second book that is found in your life book is the that's in your second and the latest. Oh my God! Manual and automatic. This is the casing. Once the ship is submerged, 1 to 3 meters below sea water level, it will pop up. Why? Because of your hydrostatic release unit. Ano pag ito hydrostatic release unit yung buto, bibig? Tungkol sa pressure, sa pressure niya, salt sa tubig, tungkol kay floater siya, maningkamot siya makagawas, bukat na kayo, maputol niya. Kinikikunta na niya, maputol na siya. Pagkaputol, buka, pagbuka. This is the pusher. This is the pusher. So, gawas. This. By the time it will submerge, it is already switched off. By the time it will comes out, it will release a distress signal, distress alert signal to a turquoise passer with a 15 hexadecimal numbers, the speed of 406 megahertz for about 90 minutes. Third channel GPS system. By the time it will reach the cross-passer which is 27 satellites, try to find this one with the help of the GPS. It will relay the signal complete detail to your